Hello everyone, and welcome to break 4329 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade P2J Sports Cards exclusive basketball edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, February 9th, 2021, and the time is 10:11 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:11 p.m. Central Time, and 7:11 p.m. Pacific Time. And the break we have Justin with 4 spots, Ryder 6, RNJ 6, Danvers 1, Fern with 3, Joe 6, Everyday 1, Triple B Sack 1, Sport Card with 2 spots. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams of the break. Once, twice, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Ryder on top, Sport Card Shop on the bottom. Ryder with the Hawks, Celtics, Nets, Justin Hornets, Joe's with the Bulls, Fern Cavaliers, Joe's Mavericks, Sport Card Shop with the Nuggets, Joe's with the Pistons, Danvers with the Warriors, Justin Rockets, R&J with the Pacers, Clippers, Everyday Lakers, Joe's Grizzlies, R&J Heat, Ryder Bucks, R&J with the Timberwolves Pelicans, Fern Knicks, Ryder Thunder, Triple B Sack Magic, Joe's 76ers Suns, Fern Trailblazers, R&J Kings, Justin Spurs, Raptors, Ryder Jazz, and last but not least, Sport Card Shop with Washington. All right, I'll seal it up, and whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. We have a great significance for the Wizards, Hachimura, NBA Hoops. Washington Wizards, congrats. Who has the Washington Wizards all the way at the bottom? Sport Card Shop, congrats on break 4329. And the 2019-20 Hit Parade P2J Sports Cards exclusive basketball edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet, and up next is 4334 for the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Player Edition card box. Thanks.